Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Ready?
Blind man. Enough boy there to make a blind man. Big up yourself, youth. Big up yourself. Throw under this brother. Throw under him. No joke. You understand? Blessings, my people. Big up, big up, big up, big up. And one more answer, my people. This brother basically, them say, he's blind. Them can't see my people, you understand? But honestly, he might move like him even can't see better than me, upon a real level. But yeah, upon a real info, I get people. He's blind, you understand? But I don't know how he's doing this, my people. Which we know say, for a lot of blind, especially in Jamaica, we say blind man I do farming and I walk much miles from their house. We have seen that brother on YouTube and Facebook and something, you understand? So this brother now, people, basically he's a blind man, young youth, and you see him do, my people, basically, you know, I'm not gonna say, you know, he man a load barrow, do construction work, you call them there, and move gravel. And if you watch him do it, people, with him technique, him put it in field feet first, you understand? And then he, yo, honestly, my viewers and subscribers, when I see them, you know what I have to say? Because you have some youth at Jamaica, you know. You understand? Enough of them lazy, you know. Them not, first of all, them must them not do them as something, you know, people. You understand? Maybe them hand too clean and them this too clean. Which me used to do a whole heap of them something. A whole heap of gravel and sand and stone dust me move for people, you know. You understand it, my ideas, you know. A whole heap of yard no chop with machete, you know, my people. You understand? A whole heap of work me do, you know. See? But nowadays, enough of them are people, are youth now. Them no want to do them a work, yeah. See? So when I see a blind man come forward now upon a real level, a push out, them when you are showing a youth, say, look at the man, me blind, me can't see, you know. But still, if a hustler man a hustler and make him look a bread, you know. See? But no for uno. Only thing you don't want to do is take up the phone, yo, me dad. Beg you this, no, beg you no that, no. Me not gonna tell no man, say, yo, honestly, if me have a me would give a youth something, you understand? But yo, if you're not lazy youth when I want to work, none at all, and you don't want to do nothing, and just want to stay up on corner and don't want to work, listen me I say, nobody link me, you know. See? If a youth out there, I want them interested and I push out them all and still I earn a bread and I try, me willing to give you something if me have it. But you see, man, when I want to do nothing, and just want to stay and just want bling, yo, my Dan, yo, my Link, yo, my G from where, from there. Listen what me I say, man. We get to act together, brethren, and learn from them things. See, learn from the man can't see what the man a do there. Hard work with him shovel and him wheelbarrow. See, and the man a make him moves. You see me? People, I don't know this brother in person, but I one thing me can say, youth, big up yourself. You understand? Big up yourself. No joke about it. Big up yourself, my brother. Big up yourself right now. Me da love for y'all know that brother, you know, my people. I'm done a real level, you know. You understand? Because me da sponsor him some real gloves and them thing there. You get what me I say? And a nice pair of one of them tough shoes there where you can do him work, you know. You understand? So if anybody know him on a real level, you understand? Link him up to me to the attacking boss. No joke. Anybody know him on a real level, link up this brother to me, make me sponsor him a nice pair of gloves, very nice pair, one of them hard construction gloves there, and one of them nice tough shoes there, we can do them America, because when slippers me see me now, you understand, which that not too good for them, something that kind of thing can happen, and him need some gloves, because that can put can, because me used to do them America people, and some big tough can used to come in for me, and them not joke, and me never have no proper gloves, so me now, when me can sponsor my gloves, I willing to do it, you understand, so anybody know me in real life and real thing, you don't know our contact, link up, and you don't know the attacking boss to deal with that. You understand? Fully funded by me personally. No joke. But I want thing I can tell someone. So look, man, get to know act together. See and learn from the man. No joke about it. Some people big up on yourself, man. Have more love, more respect, and more blessings. They don't know the thing, man. Yo, I feel proud of the man, you know. No joke, man. I feel proud of the man. The people, peace out there, man. Big up yourself, my brother. Jaja sees. Jaja knows. Remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official.